Greetings and welcome to Learn Contacts for iOS, a video tutorial from the MacU.com. These lessons will cover how to use the Apple Contacts app that comes installed on every iPhone and iPad. The Contacts app allows us to view and edit contacts from different online accounts such as iCloud, Google, or Yahoo. We can sync contacts between all our other Apple devices, as well as the web. In this tutorial, I'll be using both an iPhone and iPad for most of the lessons. To begin, let's go over the basic interface of the Contacts app on each device. On iPad, the app is laid out in columns. We have our list of contacts on the left and the selected contact card displayed to the right. Tap the sidebar button up here and the Lists column slides in. This is where we can view different contact lists and accounts. On iPhone, we have the same column layout, but only one column is visible at a time. Tap in the upper left or swipe in from the left edge to go back. Tap and hold on a contact, and we can interact with it. Single tap to view the contact card. From Contact Settings, down here we can set both a sort order and a display order. I like to have first names displayed first in my contacts list, but I prefer them to be sorted by last name. How you choose to have contacts sorted and displayed will be a personal preference. Next, we will look at how to set up different contacts accounts.